Good morning everyone and welcome back to the channel. January the 1st, 2024. Happy New Year. Hope you all had a good night last night. Wasn't very rock and roll for us, to be fair. It was an early night. We were done in, to be honest. We were knackered. We had the Chinese earlier on, just after I got home from work. So we were in bed by 10 o'clock. Absolutely knackered. But yeah, gorgeous morning here in Pentarn Beach. We brought the dog down. I've got my missus with us now, Sean. Yeah, so I thought we'd come for a little walk along the beach with the dog. He's having a ball. There he is now. It's about 12 degrees. That's really nice. Really lovely down here today. Here he is. Yeah, it's been a while since we've been down here with him. He does love a little run in the water. So we bring him down while the weather's nice. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm going to turn the camera around, let you see the view. So let me know in the comments, guys, what did you get up to last night? Have you all got hangovers this morning? I had a few beers with me Chinese last night. We had a couple of Baileys. I think I had a Jack Daniels as well. But yeah, I was done in. So tired last night. Here he goes again. Here he goes. So back in work tomorrow, in early again, 6:15. Got 3 days in, then I'm off for a few days next weekend. This is nice. There you got Colwyn Bay and Penryn Bay in the distance there, the Rosehill Sea. A bit of cloud covered over that end. Yeah, it's a bit gorgeous, isn't it? Now, is anyone working today? You're working from home? Luckily in North Wales we don't have any buses running on New Year's Day. That's why I should have been working today. Been lucky really, I was on a 9-day stint. So this has broke it up for me. There it goes. Watching that New Year's Big Bash on ITV1 last night, that was good. Few good acts on there. Take That closed the show at the end, they were good. And I don't remember much else after that. Fireworks were going off about 10 to 12, our Cole woke up. You could hear him running around. But to be fair, once I got up with him, he sat and watched the fireworks with me through the bedroom window. Yeah, this tide's definitely coming in. Here he goes. Gogie! Come and say hello! Go! Just hope he doesn't knock me over. He'll probably sleep for about half an hour. Oh god, here it comes. He'll probably have half hour sleep when he gets in and then he'll be recharged, ready to go again. Expecting to be busy down here today. New Year's Day, the sun's out. A few campers just parked up over there.